Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer USDT from Gate.io to Binance in 2025. Let's get right into it. First, open up your Binance app. Once you're logged in, head to the bottom right corner of the wallet. Next, go into the Spot wallet. At the top of your screen, click on Spot and then tap on Add Funds. Now select On-Chain Deposit. In the search bar, type USDT. Here you'll need to choose your network. Be sure to pick the right one. And I'm going with Polygon POS. So once selected, it will show me the address. Click on the PayPal icon to copy it. All right, now let's head over to the Gate.io. Open the app, and if you're not logged in yet, log in. Once you're in, go to the Assets section at the bottom right. Make sure you're in the Spot wallet here too. Then click on Withdraw. Search for USDT and select it. Choose On-Chain Withdrawal and now paste the address we copied from Binance. Don't forget to choose the same network you selected earlier. So I'll select Polygon again. Then enter the amount you want to withdraw. For example, let's say 1 USDT. Once that's done, click on Withdraw in the bottom right corner and you're all set. So this is it. If this helped, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one as always.